What's going on, guys? It's been a while. I haven't done a video in a while. I apologize for that. I have a new partner program you're definitely going to want to hear about. Okay, how this partner program works. I'll tell you the benefits and the negatives. Definitely the benefits. You do not have to have good credit, but you will need cash. It's going to be $10,000. So this is for obviously somebody that really wants to invest in themselves, really wants to start a real company. It's going to be a full guarantee. So you're going to need 10 grand if you have bad credit, or like a 401k or something we can extract the funds from to get you started. It's going to be a full guarantee after 1 year. Now, if you have good credit, if you have a 680 credit score or better, because I work with lenders, we're going to get you the funding. After you pay whatever fees you got to pay to them, you're only going to invest $5,000. So the cost goes down because you have good credit. What we're going to do is start you in your own business credit and finance company. And how I'm going to guarantee your success is I'm going to physically become your partner. I'm only going to be a 10% owner. You're going to own 90% of your company. And that 10% is just so I have a slight skin in the game. You're going to pay me a small, reoccurring monthly fee for ongoing management and, for asking questions and so forth and helping you out, and also maintaining and running when you're not available to do so yourself. After 1 year, if you are not making a minimum of $50,000 a year, I will offer to buy you out so that you have 100% guarantee after 1 year. If you just say, I don't want to do this anymore, I don't like it, it's not making me any money, I will buy you out. We'll come to an agreement, we'll sit down, I'll buy you out and take over whatever customers you have at that time. It's a streamlined process. And the reason why it's so expensive if you have bad credit is because out of that 10,000, probably 60% of it is going to go to credit repair, getting you credit worthy so that you can go in and do the things you have to do for business, because they're going to look for people with good credit when you go to the banks and so forth, stuff like that. And if I have to co-sign for you, we need to do some credit repair. So it's okay, you can have bad credit, but you're going to have to come up with that $10,000 by way of severance package, 401k, if you could borrow it from a family member or friend, whatever you need to do. And with that, we can sit down, we can do a contract, and with the lawyer if needed, or I could do a contract, you got your lawyer look at it, and we could discuss terms. Some of the negative things. For me to partner with you, you have to be willing to come to Connecticut. I can only do this deal if you come to Connecticut. You don't have to live in Connecticut, but you got to at least be willing to come to Connecticut. I would say 4 to 6 times a year. We sit down, we go over things, so forth. You can maintain your bank account from whatever state you're in, that's fine. But you must be willing to come to Connecticut to set this stuff up. And your business will be based out of Connecticut. Once it's set up, you can operate it from anywhere. But you want it kind of set up here, just because I'm here and I can do what it needs to take to get your company up and running. Again, this is a partner program. You're going to own 90% of your company. I'm only going to own a small 10%. We're going to have your 1 year guarantee. The first year, we're looking at hopefully you making hopefully 30 to 50,000 your first year, hopefully. After that 1 year mark, possibly 50 to 100,000, depending on where your credit is, depending on where your business is at the time. Again, it's going to be a business credit and finance company. I'm going to guarantee your success after 1 year. We can do other businesses. I do happen to specialize in cell phone businesses. If you want to start a cell phone business, we could do that. It's going to take a little longer to get a brick and mortar store, but we can get the company up and running in little as 30 days. All these companies takes a minimum of 30 days to get set up. So you got to give me 1 month, get the company set up, and then we go from there. So 1 solid month we need to get the company set up properly, do what it takes to get things up and running. All right. If you're interested in this, there will be links below. If you are already a customer of mine and I put you in to get funding, you still can take part in this. Instead of purchasing the finance suite, you will just do this partner program and you'll still get the finance suite included. Again, you will get the finance suite included if you do the partner program. It'll just be $5,000 if you have good credit. The total price will be $10,000 if you have bad credit. For people that just want to purchase the finance suite by itself, it's only $3,000. You can set up and run your business yourself. If you want to see videos on that, there will be links below to see videos on the finance suite and how that works. I'll also put a link to a video I previously did on how I can get you funding for different kinds of companies. I happen to specialize in wireless industry, but some other big industries that are pretty booming right now are smoke shops, barber shops. If you want to do a barber shop, we could possibly set that up for you. There will also be an email below. You can contact me with more questions about this program and how it works. Again, this is a partner program where I will actually be your physical partner. You don't have to live in Connecticut, but you must be willing to come to Connecticut at least 4 to 6 times a year. And we can get this going. 680 credit score. Only $5,000. You don't pay anything up front if you have the 680 credit score. You don't pay any fees up front. We get you funding. After you receive your funding, you will pay the $5,000, and then we will get your company up and running step by step. If you have bad credit, we got to see where your credit is. We got to evaluate your credit, but we can get you started right away, taking steps to repair your credit, get your company set up right away, immediately. Sometimes, in some cases, we can even get you a brick and mortar store right away. In the case of a barbershop, that would be just simply open up a brick and mortar store, setting up your bank account, your physical stuff that you need to get started, see what your equipment's going to cost you. So I will walk you through the steps needed. All right? All the information will be below. All the links will be below. I'll have other links to other opportunities below. If you want to make some side money, I do drive for Uber and Lyft. You might want to do that on the side while you're building your company. Affiliate marketing, you might want to do that on the side while you're building your company. I will have links for that as well. Again, email will be below. I would put a phone number, but I don't want to be bombarded by phone calls. So just email me if you have other questions about this program and how to get started immediately. If you're already in the funding program, that's fine. Just contact me by email. And if you do have my phone number already, which you might have, text me, let me know, okay, I want to do the partner program after I receive my funding. And that's fine. All right. Again, it's been William Bootsy Blanding. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my other channels if you can. Like, comment, click that little bell icon so you can get more updates on other videos. All right. And if you really truly want to get started in business, this is one way to do it for affordable costs. People will tell you it takes sometimes $40, $50, $60,000 just to set up a brick and mortar store. We could do it for less. But we need either, if you have bad credit, we need the $10,000 deposit, because a lot of that cost is gonna take care of getting your credit where it needs to be. I work with a credit repair company, so we can get your credit where it needs to be. If you have 680 credit score, you already have the good credit needed. This program going to be extremely less. We can get you in there, get you moving fast, and possibly get you to the next step as soon as possible, as soon as you get your funding. All right? Again, don't forget that bell icon so you can get updated on new videos when they come out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.